Hi, I'm Jim Micelli, one of the owners of Sanford Verticals. We are a highly rated and trusted window covering company in Sanford, Florida. We are a premier window covering installation company. We design, service, and sell, as well as install all our products in-house. We use new contractors or employees. We are completely owner-based to our clients, something we really pride ourselves on in attention to detail, communication with the customer, and precision and execution on the install. The owners here at this property in the Lake Nona area wanted to be able to close in their pool and lanai for year-round entertaining and use. And what they decided to go with were hurricane screens from Fenetex. These screens allow not only privacy and bug repellent, but also protection from the elements for our thunderstorms during the summer and obviously hurricanes. Now with these screens here, they're able to vent and protect from heat and UV year-round. The way I like to equate it to is like using your garage door opener. You hit the button, they go up. You hit the button, it goes down. It's very easy, very straightforward. Sanford Verticals, all we ever want to do is make it as easy as possible for the client and the homeowner. And with Fenetex, we can achieve that. When you have highly quality materials and engineering and backed by a great customer service team and a sales team that works directly with their dealers, you get what we achieve for it, which is excellence. When you can come out here and all you have to do is hit a button up or down, you don't have any maintenance, there's no worry about failure. These are, in my opinion, the highest quality outdoor screens you can buy, and they hold up to that in use day to day. And that's really what is the most impressive of these.